Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's just jump into this simple holiday look. So first I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer and a concealer brush, and I'm just going to line up my eyebrows. I'm not really trying to go in with a brow pencil first. Usually when I do my makeup, I do my brows first, but sometimes they become like the center of attention. They become a little too dark, or they're not the right shape for the eye look. So this time I opted to go with just doing my whole face first and then filling in my brows as needed. So we'll get back to the eyebrows a little later in the video, but I'm just going to set my eyes with this LA Girl Pro Concealer and blend it out with a Real Technique sponge, and that's how we're going to get started with this tutorial. So I'm going to go into my Raye palette with a Raye blending brush, and I'm going to dip it right into Mocha. It's just this light brown shade that I usually use to contour with. So I'm just going to put that all in my crease a little bit at a time, like I usually like to do, and build up the color when I get there. This eyeshadow look is literally only going to take like 2 colors, but still the blending process is still the same as if I were blending with about 5 colors. Oh, by the way guys, so this hair is new, as you can see. It's different from the hair that I wore in my last video. It's from RPG Show. I really love RPG Show wigs. This is my 2nd or 3rd wig from them, but I do have a coupon code, so if you guys want to go look and see what they have that you might like, go on their website, rpgshow.com, and use my code Lenee for $30 off your next purchase. So next I'm going to go into the star of the show, Fenty Beauty's Trophy Wife. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot what it was called. So I'm taking my Urban Decay setting spray and just spraying the brush that I have. It's another Raye brush, and then I'm going to dip that into that Trophy Wife and just put that on my lid. It's really, really easy, guys. And you can just pack this on until you get the desired effect that you want. So I really want it to be golden glittery, so I put on quite a lot. Then I just blend out any, harsh lines that I've got going on there. Then I'm just going to do a quick lining with my NYX matte liquid liner. Not really doing a wing or anything, but I'm just lining it so that when I put my lashes on, it's like a seamless transition between my lashes and my eyeshadow. Now for the face. So my face has been so dry lately, so I'm using this Caudalie Vino Perfect serum. I've already moisturized my face and everything, but it needs more moisture. The more the better for me right now. I've got like a lot of eczema going on in my face, a lot of dry skin, dead skin, so my face has to stay moisturized underneath my foundation. Next I'm going in with my Too Faced Hangover Primer. I love this primer. It really brings my skin back to life. It really works. So if you want to try it, I would say definitely go for it. Makes your skin very plump if you like plump skin. And it keeps your face very moisturized. It wakes up your face as well, I would say. In my opinion, it does. So once I rub that on, then I'm ready for my foundation. And the foundation that I'm going to use is my all-time favorite, my Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation from NARS. Just going to put that on. I usually use maybe like 2 pumps, and I'll just put that on with my Real Techniques blending sponge. Then I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the color Bamboo, and that's what I'm going to use to highlight. It's a very creamy formula. You usually don't find that in sticks, so I really like that it's not too creamy where it moves all over the place, but it's also not too dry or matte. So that is what I'm using today, and it gives me the coverage that I need as well underneath my eyes. So I'm also happy that I can also blend this out with a Real Techniques sponge, and I don't necessarily have to use a brush. Then I'm going to take my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Chestnut as per usual, and that's what I'm going to use to contour. I really like this shade. I feel like I'm never ever going to use anything else because it's very warm, and I usually like to warm up my face. But then I'm going to take my Matchstick in the color Mocha, and that's what I'm going to use to contour my nose because it's a little cooler. It's not as warm as Chestnut. And my favorite contour brush, you guys already know. I was like a little annoyed because I kind of got the concealer into the blonde portion of my hair. So I had to get like a wipe and wipe it out after because I had like a patch of brown in the blonde. Then I just take this smaller contouring brush and I just use that to blend out Mocha all around my nose area and make sure that it's very precise. Then I'm going to take my Airspun powder. This is my second time using it. The first time that I used it was in my last video, the purple cut crease video. And I think as I continue to use it, I'm kind of liking it. So we'll see if this stays in my, stays out on my vanity. And I forgot to blend my Cupid's bow. I like to go in with the lighter powder right underneath my contour because you guys see like it makes my contour right underneath my cheekbones just a little bit sharper and a little more defined, so that's why I like to do that. Alright, so now we get to go and do the brows, and I'm just going to fill them in lightly because I don't feel like I need like a bold brow with this look. Then I'm going to go back into Mocha, my favorite contouring shade, and take this other Raye brush and just go over the places that I used chestnut. And then I'm just going to brush off that Airspun loose face powder. Alright, time for some blush. This is the Wet n Wild's Color Icon blush in the color Mellow Wine. And then I'm also going to use another Wet n Wild's product. This is the Wet n Wild's highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals. Alright, and now it's time to do my lashes. And then I'm also going to take some of Mocha and dust it on my chest area, and some of the highlighter that I use, the Wet n Wild highlighter, just so I can glow a little bit and look like, you know, have my face match my chest and what have you, since I'm wearing spaghetti straps today. Then, the star of the show, we're going to take Uncensored, that's the STUNNA Lip Paint by Fenty Beauty, and put that on our lips. I really love the applicator for this brush, for this lipstick, sorry. It really allows you to be very precise, and you don't usually need a lip liner first and then, you know, have to go in after. Usually I also put like a darker lip liner on. I don't really have to do that with this color. So that's it. That's the look. Very simple holiday glam. I hope you liked it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all of the above if you really like this video, and share it please as well. Okay, and make sure you hit that subscribe button, that's my little face right there, and also watch my last video, and I'll see you next time.